Hi everybody, it's Jean from My Florida Dreams. I'm out here in beautiful sunny Jamaica Bay listing a property at 22 Pinar Court. This was the carport that has been finished. It has an 8x8 shed that has washer and dryer. It has a 8x16 workshop. So that's a nice added feature there. It's got great windows. And this place is immaculately cared for. Go into the house here. We got the dining area. And over here we have a horseshoe kitchen. Out here we have the living room. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 24 by 48. This is the guest bedroom. And we have the guest bathroom. And we'll go down to the master bedroom. Plenty of space. They got a California King in here. And master bath with double sinks, granite countertop, and the bath. This is 22 Pinar Court. Again, my name is Jean from My Florida Dreams. My number is 239-910-6738. Go ahead and give me a call and I can get you in to see the place. Have a great day.